This is Legend, and he's been through a lot. When we first rescued him, we were super worried about him because he had the double amputations. He was really, really, really scared. And he hid a lot.
Where are you going?
But I was ready to earn his trust for as long as it would take. Legend came from a 37 cat hoarding situation.
Hi, baby. It's okay.
He had some deformed legs and they were bleeding, and it was really, really sad. The medical team thought that it would be best if they were amputated. He really needed someone with a lot of patience. So I fostered him and set him up in my bathroom. At first, that was his safe space and he stayed in there.
Hi, Legend boy.
I would put him on my lap and just slowly pet him.
Hi, Legend. Good morning.
And then he started to come out of the bathroom a little.
Oh my God, you came out on your own, buddy. What, sweet boy?
It took like 3 months, and
Wow.
He finally started to climb up on the couch or the chair. Even to this day, it's amazing to just see him curled up on the couch and to know that he feels comfortable. I just think he grew to trust us. After, I'd say, 6 months, he started to try to do the stairs. He definitely doesn't feel as confident as, a typical normal cat would. But of course, it was just amazing how he was able to get around despite his challenges. He just really was a little survivor. And over time, I was looking for a home for him because I already have 4 cats. But then I couldn't let him go. He's been through a lot, but he's never lost his spark. Rescuing him has been really such a rewarding experience. I'm in awe of him, He's my fur baby. I love him.